Watermelon!
So this is a freestyle class by Colin Scummy Morrison. He's hosting a little class out here in Apple Valley, and I'm a Apple Valley native, so might as well come out here and get it cracking, boy. You know, the vibes are right, the jumps are looking scary. But we're here, boy. Got the homie Shane Spanky McNasty. We about to fucking hit our first freestyle ramps.
It's gonna have to be.
See, we got a big turnout. Check it out. That fucking dude pumping wheelies. But yeah, wish me luck. Hoping after the first couple times we'll be able to get like some sick drone footage. No fucking way, dude. Dude, I'm gonna be hitting backflips by the end of today.
On the pit bike.
On the pit bike, yeah.
Pit her off that long ass one.
Nah, don't, homie.
Probably, dude.
Yeah, I got one. Oh my God. No, Steph, you just stay there.
Sorry, dude.
Here you guys go. It's pretty much saying if you guys eat shit,
Yeah, you know.
you guys are all fucked.
Cool, bro.
Hell yeah. I need
Have
to
you ever
sign
hit
that
a
one.
ramp?
No, fuck no.
I don't even know, like, seriously what I'm doing here, you guys.
Nah, you good, bro.
It's like third year on it, I believe. But it'll be okay.
Yeah, they said we learned how to do backflips here or some shit. Yeah. He said that's the dude who does backflips. What's up, everybody?
What up?
Hey, you guys, come up here.
Second. Cruising.
Second.
Stand right behind me.
So at this point, I realized exactly how big this ramp really is. Little case, not too bad. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, boy! Whoa, baby! Hey, so what you think, homie? What you think?
Hey, bro.
First freestyle ramp?
Dope as fuck.
Gangster or
Super
what?
smooth. Oh, Scummy out here killing it, teaching us.
Hell yeah. Well, we both hit the fucking ramp. Yeah, we appreciate Colin having us out here, showing us some cool shit. It's fucking heart's racing for sure. But we about to eat some tacos and get jiggy. Sick, brother. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Hey, so we're slowly gonna start moving the ramp back a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this camera up and get some good shots. I guess. Alright, so that about wraps up the video for today. So thanks again for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really do appreciate every single one of my views. And yeah, I hope you guys like this footage, man. I was super stoked to finally hit my first freestyle motocross ramp.